Ticket Network discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Ticket Network and how you can get tickets at a discounted rate. So let's get into it. So before I begin, I just want to say that there is a link in the description below. If you go ahead and click on the link, you will be able to go ahead and avail different offers that are going on right now, different coupon codes, different discount codes that you can apply onto any of the tickets that are being shown over here, and you'll get a pretty cool discount. So make sure you check those out. Next, all you got to do is come over to the website and just simply go ahead and select one of the tickets, right? So you can see right here, we have new events on sale today. There's Cardi B, Ed Sheeran, Ariana Grande, Riley Green, Machine Gun Kelly, Adam Sandler, The Eagles, Mariah the Scientist, and other ones that are available at the top here. Like we've got sports, concerts, theaters, a bunch of stuff, right? So let's go ahead and click on Ed Sheeran, and here we can see all of the events right now. So these are all the events that are happening right now with Ed Sheeran. So we can just simply click on get tickets right now. These are in the New York state in US, and give it a couple of seconds, and here is the arena, right? So you can see right here, I think the white ones are not available, or 20 tickets from $400, but yeah, you can just simply select one of this arena and then just simply select the tickets right here, buy now pay later, right? And you can also go ahead and see all of these are available. You can see right here, these ones are not available. So the grays ones, they're not available, but the other ones are the colored ones, so which is pretty cool. So next, just simply select your area and select the ticket, right? 335, that's quite a lot, and we should be good to go. And then here you just simply go ahead and add your email address, your payment method, and then the ticket delivery method is over here. They'll be delivered to your mobile number. It is required, so make sure you enter that up as well. The total is over here. And as I said before, if you had clicked the link in the description below, you'll get a discount on these tickets as well. So it's pretty cool. You can also come over here and get some other tickets for other stuff like sports, right? You can search for a team, search for a specific artist, search for specific theater that you want. It's pretty cool. But yeah, make sure to check out the link in the description below and get yourself a discount. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.